And there's the first batch. A nice little cookie sheet. They've got some splits in them, which is not ideal. Maybe if I added a little more water they'd have stuck together better, and I could have then, scrubbed my hands with flour to get them off my hands. But I think they'll be fine like that. I have done this before with splits like that in them before, and they have turned out fine. I just need to give those time to rise. This was the batch before where I mixed the yeast into the cream directly. They started out this size and they came out this size. Whereas the ones where I woke the yeast up with water, they were up against each other and almost sticking together in the middle. So I'm going to give these guys time to rise and prove that the yeast is coping fine now that the little bit of water in which it was woken up has been mixed with a whole lot of cream. Should be. We shall see. Then these go in the oven for 5 minutes is probably enough at this size. You have to keep an eye on them. See when they start to change colour.